Wow, I almost hit that bird. You guys saw that, right? Anyways, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Wow, I almost hit that bird, man. Appreciate you guys' support and appreciate you guys watching this channel as well. Check it out. I love the Road King. It's just a gorgeous bike, and I'm not just saying mine, I'm saying in general the Road King is an awesome bike. You know, it's beautiful, it's many different things, and I do like all the bikes as well. You know, like I like a lot the Deluxe, and also like a lot the Heritage Softail. I mean, I think it's a gorgeous bike. I love the whole bags with you know, leather bags and all that good stuff. But anyways, I want to do a quick video right here because I'm going to be doing some upgrades to this bike. And one of the things that the Road King has compared to a lot of bikes is that there's a lot of parts, there's a lot of ways, there's a lot of things you could do to a Road King, right? And I'm excited about that. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pull into one of those parking lots, and I'm going to give you like a little thing or what's coming up for 2020. Obviously, money's going to be a factor. Obviously, money's going to be something that we all have to deal with. So I'm hoping to get these things accomplished this year. If I do, I'll be happy. And then next year, I'm hoping to accomplish something else. That will be a video for the following year. Alright, the moment that you record video and you think it's done and then you realize you didn't. But we're going to do this for the second time. The Road King Classic right here. And I love this bike. I love the whole black with the blue. I love the classic look. I mean, it's just an amazing... I mean, I just love the whole look. We could go all day about the Road King. I think the Road King is a beautiful bike, but here's the thing, you know, I want to do a couple updates and or upgrades. Like I said, there's a lot of things I want to do to this bike, and obviously money's going to be an issue, but in this year I hope to accomplish a couple things. And the first thing that I did was that I put the saddlebags back here, and I'm pumped about it. I mean, Vikings Stretch Out, about 430 bucks, and that was pretty much the only choice out there. I mean, I looked and I looked and I looked, and if you wanted to go with the leather style bags, Vikings is pretty much one of the only choices that I know, right? So again, I put that, really excited about that. So that's, you know, I could take that one out of my list, and I'm pumped about it. Obviously, I said this in the past, I'm going to be putting the fender fillets right here and right here. I think I seen it for about $70 or something like that. So again, I can't wait for that. I already changed the lights back here and I made them black. And you know, I got it from like Amazon or something. It's like Chinese or something. And again, you know, it's not the best, but it does the look, right? I'm not looking to make it look perfect or anything like that. I just make it I'm just, you know, trying to make it look cool and something that I enjoy to ride, right? So again, saddlebags are done. I'm excited about that. The next thing is going to be this saddle right here. Is really horrible. Pretty much just said horrible. Really soft. After like 30 minutes, it's just killing my back. I hate how it goes like this, like in a 45 degree. Has no lumbar support or anything like that. So this is gonna go, and I think I'm gonna go for a Mustang seat. They have the solo one that comes with the back, little back support, lumbar support, and I'm excited about that one. I think they run for about 500 bucks. That's gonna be coming out very soon in the next few months, hopefully. I'm gonna change the intake right here. I don't like this one. I haven't really picked one that I like, but again, that's going to be I got to do a lot of research and all that stuff. And if you have any advice or anything like that, definitely put it down in the comment section below. Any companies, anything like that, just put it down there, right? So I'm going to be changing that. I'm also going to be changing the bars, and I'm going to be putting some 8, probably about 16-inch, and I'm really excited about that because, like I said, you know, I think it's gonna help my back a ton, right? So it's just, and obviously it's gonna make the bike look gorgeous, and I just cannot wait. I'm also gonna change the hand controllers, all this, the mirrors, everything is gonna go. I'm gonna put the wires in the inside of the bar, so to give it the nice clean look, and all you're gonna see is the 16-inch apes all chrome out with the wires in the inside. It's just gonna look beautiful, and obviously it's gonna cost a penny, and I gotta save some money for that. But that's gonna be coming up 2020. The cool thing is that as I put all these things in my bike, I'll be able to make videos and show it to you guys, and obviously it's gonna be a fun one. Other than the bars, I'm going to come to the front this year. I'm going to put the visors right here, the ones that are going to stick out a little bit. All those three is going to make the bike look cool, and that's going to be coming up as well. I changed this to black. Got it from Amazon or something. I mean, it looks okay, but again, you know, biggest components is going to be the saddle. It's going to be the bars. It's going to be the biggest two components. Pretty much what costs the most. The visors are going to be pretty inexpensive, and the intake is probably going to be a couple $100, but the saddle, we're looking about $500, and the bar, we're probably looking about over $1,000. So again, those are my plans for 2020. 2021, I will have different plans, but those are the ones that I'm trying to accomplish this year for sure. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If you have any recommendations or anything you think I should put in the bike, put it down in the comment section below. I appreciate you guys watching, and as always, God is in control.